Okay, we are going to see some multiplication strategies. We are going to see how to multiply a number by 10, how to multiply a number by 11, and how to multiply a number by 5. Okay, let's start by 10. Now, if you have 10 times 7, what you do is you make 7 in double digit, but the other number will be 0 from 10. That will be 10, and you borrow the 0, 70. 10 times 5, that will be 5 with 0, 50. 10 times 6 equal 6. You borrow the 0, 60. 7 times 10 equal is what we did there, 7. You borrow the 0, 70. The same there. Okay. Any number multiplied by 10 equal that number with 0 at the end. Now, how to do multiplication of a number by 11? When you make a multiplication of a number by 11, you make the double digit of the same number, which is 4, 4. If you take 11 times 3 equal 3, 3. 11 times 7 equal 7, 7. 11 times 8 equal 8, 8. Okay, this is easy. Now let's see the last one, which is how to make the multiplication of a number by 5. This is a little bit harder, but easy as well. Now, if you take 5 times a number, which is, let's say, 4, what you do is you take the half of 4, half of 4, which is 2, and you multiply this half by 10. You have 20. 20 is the answer to 5 times 4. The same, if you save 6 times 5, you take the half of 6, which is 3, you multiply it by 10, you have 30. The last example, if you have 8 times 5, you take the half of 8, which is 4, you multiply it by 10, equal 40. Okay. Now, if you have a number which is cannot be divided by 2, like 3, like 5, like 3, 5, 7, 9, what you do is, if you have to multiply this number by 5, it will give you, still its half will be 1 and 5. When you multiply it by 10, it will give you 15. And this one will give you 5 times 5, it will give you the half of 5, which is 2.5, and you multiply it by 10, it will give you 25. 7 times 5 will be 3.5, and you multiply it by 10, it will give you 35. 9 times 5, you take the half of 9, which is 4.5. You multiply it by 10 and you get 45. Okay, yeah, this is for now. Those 3 strategies we just see. You have to practice on it. Let's just summarize in 1 minute. We saw the multiplication of number by 10. We say you just take the number and you make its double digit with a 0 from 10. When you multiply a number by 11, you make the double digit of the same number. If you multiply the number by 5, we say you take the half of this number, which is 2, and you multiply the half by 10 equal 20. Okay, that's okay for now, and we will continue.